Hello, everyone. In this video, I'm going to explain a few ways to diagnose issues in the desktop portal. Over the years, we have continually implemented numerous improvements and bug fixes. This is why it is important to always check if you are using the latest version available. After you've checked to see if there's someone already logged in, open the desktop and press Ctrl-Shift-O or CMD-Shift-O if you're using a Mac. Once this screen is open, check the user ID. Go to the same user inside the admin console and check the URL to see if it matches. Here you will find other useful information such as permissions, company affiliation, enabled/disabled features, portal version, and release time. You can also check the developer console, known as DevTools on Firefox or Developer Tools on Chrome. You may use Ctrl-Shift-I or CMD-Shift-I in older versions, or simply F12 in newer ones. In the console panel, you can see any errors from the web portal and get more details about any error that might be showing. The network panel should be empty when you open the developer console. Any HTTP request initialized after you open the developer console should display there. If you need specific help from our support team, please screenshot the header's view and copy over the value from the Response tab. The cookie under the Application tab contains the information for the current user session. To diagnose single sign-on through Active Directory, you can check the article available in the description of this video. Thank you for watching.